Finally, up close and personal with the PBB 2.0 Celebrity Collab. So, alam ko matagal niyo nang iniintay ito. Nagre-request kayo kay Narosh na kailan ba namin sila mamimit, kailan ba namin sila mag-interview. Ito na po. Hinahandog na po namin ng Sparkle sa inyo. Pasensya na po kung medyo na-delay tayo ng konti. It's been almost a month na since lumabas sila natapos yung PBB. So, now, you get to talk to them, to be with them, maybe share some fun moments with them later. Hindi yung puro si Aubrey Carambel na nakakapag-interview sa kanila. Aubrey, kota na ako minention kita. So in behalf of our bosses, Ms. Joy Marcelo, our SVP, Attorney Annette Gozon Valdez, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, sa inyong suporta. Sabi nga, sino ba nagsabi? Si Ashley. Before pumasok, habang nasa loob sila, guys, basa kayo ng mga feeds nyo. Tignan nyo kung sino yung mga naglayag sa inyo at sino mga pumuksa sa inyo dito. Joke lang. Hindi, lahat yan. Linayag kayo during your journey in PBB. At maraming salamat sa aming mga media partners, internal GMA teams. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta. At sana, anuhin pa rin natin sila, suportahan pa rin natin itong mga batang to. They are the future of show business, the future of the Philippine entertainment business, and the future of GMA Network. So again, welcome to this MediaCon, and have a nice afternoon to everyone.
Are you guys ready? I love that energy. All right, let us finally begin the Q&A portion, or Tapatan 2.0. The joke lang, ito na. All right, our first set of questions came from Nikki Wang of Manila Standard. So our first question is actually for everyone right here. Now that you've experienced what it's like inside the PBB house, if there were to be a PBB Collab 3.0, which GMA stars would you want to see enter the house and why? I think we should start with the ladies. So who wants to start? Alright, Caprice, alright.
Kung magkakaroon po na collab ulit, gusto ko pong makita si Miss Marian Rivera and Sir Ding Dong Dantes together doon po sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Kasi, or kahit kung family po sila, natutuwa po kasi ako kasi gusto ko rin po makita yung dynamics nila kung paano po yung magiging journey nila doon sa loob ng bahay.
Our Kapuso Primetime Kings and Queens, the family will be inside. Actually, you've met Miss Marian recently, so how was that?
It was really fun, ate, kasi na-meet ko si Miss Marian before nag-guesting ako sa show niya. Kaya natutuwa ako na nakita ko ulit si Miss Marian. Ngayong teenager naman na ako ngayon.
Mali mo makita ulit kayo sa PBB house.
Yeah!
Alright, what about you, Ashley? Sino ang GMA star ang gusto mo makasama sa 3.0?
Ako po, meron po akong two people in mind, which is si Sean Lucas and si Zephanie. Kasi yun po, natagal na po namin silang nakaka-work. And nakikita ko po sa kanila na madami po silang ma-add na ligaya and memories din po sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. And personally, si Zephanie po, na-inspire po ako sa kanya kapag nakakausap ko siya. So, alam ko po na marami po siyang ma-inspire din po na susupport na po sa kanya sa loob.
So much, just like you, you've inspired so much as well. And congrats kay Stephanie, Born to Shine. Panoorin niyo po yan, of course. How about you, Princess?
Ako naman siguro po, I really love to see Ate Bianca Umali sa PBB kasi I really love her personality. She's very strong, independent, and she's very humble din, very grounded. And ayun nga, gusto ko po talaga yung role niya sa Encantadia. Feeling ko magiging task layer siya sa bahay ni Kuya. So,
Actually, bagay din sa Encantadia, no? Pwede sila magkapatid ni Bianca Umali. I can see that, right? Oh, malay mo. Next episode. How about the gentlemen? I want to hear from you. Who wants to go first? Nagpasahan. Okay, Clifford, go ahead. Take it away.
Siguro for me, two people in mind din. Yung first is a good friend of mine, which is si Mark Oliveros or CS Nice for You. Kasi syempre, he's such a fun guy and I really hope na the world will get to see kung paano talaga siya And siguro yung next naman is si Ate Antiso Manalo.
Miss Universe. What a sweet friend. Thank you, Clifford. How about you, Marco?
Well, for me, actually, some artists then that I have worked before, sila Ate Andrea Torres, sila Kuya Benjamin Alves, ayun, sila Kuya Ruru, and sila Kuya Miguel, kasi I would like to see their dynamics as an housemate, kasi alam naman natin na talagang magaling sila sa craft nila, so gusto ko lang din makita kung paano nila ma-share yun inside the house.
Very well said, Marco. How about you, Lee?
Gusto ko yun yung magaling mag-host, yung Giza. Parang pwede yun na maging housemate ni Kuya eh. Pwede. But besides you, of course, siguro a lot of Sparkle artists in mind, top of my head. Si Kuya Betong Sumaya, si Ate May Bautista. I think, for me, isa sa mga housemate na nag-stay doon, ang saya ng may housemate na laging nagpapatawa doon, laging nag-bring down good vibes, katulad nila, Ashley, Clifford, yeah. Kaya kailangan natin yung mga tipong housemate na ganyan nagpapasaya. And siguro yun, last few people I have in mind, sa kabatch ko naman sa Sparkle teams back then, and si Aya, pati si Gea, yeah, bagay din po sila sa, kung if ever magkaroon ng collab sa PBB.
Great answer. Nagulat ako sa una mong sagot. And of course, I'm sure our GMA Sparkle executives are taking down notes kung sino ang next set of PBB Collab 3.0 housemates natin. And another question is, for everyone as well, ay, si Heath, sorry, of course, last but not least, Heath. Sino ang gusto mong makita sa PBB Collab 3.0?
Gusto ko po makita na kung meron pong next collab po, I want to see my best friend Gio Mahana po dun sa bahay ni Kuya kasi he's a really great guy, he really knows how to make people smile, and then I want people to see how he is as a person po.
That's a very sweet answer. I'm sure your friend definitely appreciates that. Again, thank you so much, guys, for answering. Now let's move on to the second question. This question is for everyone again. So how do you feel that how do you feel that you guys are the last batch of housemates before the PBB house moves to a different location? That you guys actually made history as the last batch in the very iconic PBB house. So siguro, the gentleman can start naman this time. Since ikaw na Heath ang may hawak ng mic, you may start.
Ako po, yung feeling ko po na kami po yung last batch po na nakapunta po or nakastay po sa OG house ni Kuya. It's really an honor po kasi doon po nag-start lahat po, and I'm really happy and glad na nakapag-stay po ako doon for the last time po.
You, Clifford.
Siguro ako both happy and sad. Kasi syempre super grateful kami na we were the last batch to experience the OG house ni Kuya. But at the same time, I'm sure a lot of people wanted to experience it also. Pero sobrang excited naman ako para sa next batch na papasok. Kasi syempre bagong experience kaya sobrang exciting talaga.
How about you, Marco?
Well, ayun, gaya na sabi ni Clifford, it's bittersweet, but for me, talagang sobrang blessed lang ako and lahat ng mga nakasama kong housemates dahil kami pa yung naging last batch. And me personally, I never expected na makakapasok pa ako sa bahay ni Kuya since nasa industry na ako. So, kumbaga, I'm just very grateful na na-experience ko yun kasi isa siyang experience na once in a blue moon lang at sobrang dami kong natutunan sa loob talaga ng bahay. So, I'm just really thankful na nangyari yun sa akin.
Exactly, once in a lifetime na maging housemate. And I'm sure you guys, grabe pinagdaanan nyo to be a housemate. So, you guys definitely made history as the last batch. How about you, Lee?
Yeah, like what the boys said, what a privilege, what an honor. Kami yung nung binalita na yung Collab 2.0 yun na yung huling batch of the OG bahay ni Kuya. Yeah, it's sad, pero with great, ano yung saying? Great new beginnings comes. Balik na basta yung saying na yun. Basta yun, I'm excited, honestly I'm excited din sa mga paparating din na housemates in the future. Kasi, imagine mo, like, fast forward in the future, parang, the term housemate, parang masarap na ipagmalaki na parang parang ikwento sa mga future generations, sa mga susunod sa amin na parang masarap ikwento at sabihin na parang, alam mo ba, naging OG housemate ako dun sa lumang bahay ni Kuya. So, it's gonna be a nostalgic feeling and it's an experience you can't relive, honestly. Kaya, when we were in that house, we cherished all the moments. And actually, nabigyan kami ng opportunity na bisitahin mamaya yung bahay for one last time. Yeah. So, yeah.
Thank you so much, Lee. And like you said, it is a legacy to remember for a lifetime. How about our ladies? Sino gusto mag-start? Yan, napasa na kayo Caprice. Okay, Caprice!
Happy kasi naging part po kami ng isang very iconic na bahay at teleserye. And sad din kasi wala na po kami matuturo na bahay na doon kami nakatira before, so nakaka-sad din. Pero happy and excited po kami para sa mga next na papasok sa bahay ni Kuya. At pakikilala ni Kuya, pakikilala rin nila si Kuya.
Thank you so much, Caprice. How about you, Ashley?
Sorry. Actually, ako po hindi po namin, I think we have no idea po na kami po pala yung magiging last batch. Pero, ayun po, now na nalaman po namin, ako po, I feel really happy na we got the opportunity po na makapasok po sa OG nga po na bahay po ni Kuya, which changed so many lives. And we're so happy po na nakapag-create din po kami ng memories po namin doon sa loob po ng bahay ni Kuya. But I believe naman po na maganda rin po yung magiging new beginning po ng bahay ni Kuya para po sa susunod na batch. So, ayun na po, I feel really happy and thankful.
I love that answer. Pang beauty queen din, ha? Pwede. Of course, Princess.
Actually, nasabi naman na nila lahat. But ayun nga, we're very honored and very grateful na out of all the people, kami yung mga housemates na napili to close this chapter. Of course, sobrang tagal din noon, OG house, parang like 20 years, 21 years. So, ayun, sobrang happy lang din namin na naging part kami ng history.
Thank you so much, Princess. And I'm sure you guys will visit, of course, the BBB house. I think you only have till tonight. So I hope you guys can visit it once again. And for the last question from Nikki Wang of Manila Standards, actually for Caprice, our big winner. Alright, so my question for you is, aside from aiming to become the big winner, what was your main goal when you entered the PBB house and were you able to achieve it?
Yes po, na-achieve ko po yung main goal ko para sa pagpasok ng bahay ni Kuya. At yun po ay magkaroon ng kaibigan at mag-grow din po as a person. May matutunan din po sa sarili ko and then mas makilala pa po si Kuya dahil nanonood rin po talaga ako ng first goal na ako.
So nice. Alam mo, besides being a big winner, you were able to bring home a big family with you. Lahat ba kayo magkakilala na before you entered PBB house?
Hindi pa masyado ate.
So just imagine when you walk home with many more friends. I love that answer. Alright, that was our questions from Nikki Wang of Manila Standard. Now let's move on with Neil Sereno of TikTok PH. This question is for Lee Victor. Alright, what's something na hindi nakita ng viewers but you wish they knew?
Now, that's a good question. Honestly, siguro, dapat nagpa-straight hair pala ako bago ako pumasok ng bahay ni Kuya. Jokes aside, as you know, parang first few weeks, first up to 3 weeks, talk of the town ako. Not in a good way though, but in a bad way. But you know, clueless me, syempre wala kaming alam tungkol sa outside world. Clueless kami, no outside information, no social media, no anything, nada. Kaya nung na-evict na ako and it's time to scroll, time to check social media, ano mga nangyayari. So pinalita sa akin, ayun na nga. Mga narinig ko nung first few weeks, ano daw ako nung pet peeve ng bahay, pabida-bida daw ako, annoying, di nag-aayos, laging magulo yung buhok. Honestly, hearing that, yeah, masakit, pero in a way, parang, well, what you see is what you get. Pero, yung sana gusto ko na nakita niyo, ako as much as I wanted to be a leader for DAOs, kung update kayo, they nominated me to be the leader of the whole house, hindi lang sa chores, kundi sa lahat. Kaya tawag sa akin, leader. Pero, ayun nga, hindi nasunod din kasi nga, you know, a lot of stuff happens. Pero, ayun nga yung hindi pinakita na part sa PBB. Yung denominate nila ako, hindi pinakita yung raise of hands na parang binoto ako as a leader. So yung dating parang, ay parang ako yung mismong parang self-volunteer na parang ako yung leader, pero honestly, kung kahit ganun yung tingin nyo sa akin, okay lang, it's fine. Kasi honestly, I just want the best for the housemates. So ayun na, naging leader ako. Kung ano alam ko lang tungkol about being a leader. That's how I handle the situation inside the house. Kung paano ba maging isang leader ng isang bahay. Kasi honestly, first time po yun sa akin. Napaka-laking task or yung pagiging leader of 19 people in one household. And never ko po yun na-experience. Kaya I really tried my best. Tinry ko yung best ko na ipasaya yung mga housemate. And yeah, just do the job well.
Yes,
So,
our
ayun po.
leader right here. And we miss your curly era.
Wow.
But we love the new straight hair era. So thank you so much, Lee, for your honesty as well. Now, my next question is for Clifford. Ito medyo takpatan 2.0 question ko.
Wala,
Are you ready, Clifford?
Oh.
Alright, my question for you is, looking back, do you think you were completely authentic? Or may moments na you played safe inside the house? Juicy question.
Hindi, syempre, aminin ko na there were times na kahit hindi ko gusto, ginawa ko. There were times na nag-step back ako. Kagaya nung siguro yung first task namin yung Candelabra. There was a time na nag-step out of the task kasi walang gusto mag-step out na housemate. So personally, syempre ayokong gawin yun. Pero for the sake of finishing the task, ginawa ko yun. So siguro mga moments lang na ganun where there were times talaga na I tried my best to give way. Pero in the end, I wouldn't change anything. Thank you.
Yes, thank you for that, Clifford. And that was actually our questions from Neil Serrano of TikTok PH. Now for the ladies. From Iza Iglesias of Manila Times. This question is for Princess and Ashley. Since joining the show, how has your life changed and how are you handling the sudden surge of Big Brother fame? Who wants to go first? Princess. Nakatingin sa'yo si Ashley, so Princess
Sige,
ikaw.
ako na. Well, siguro nothing changed. Wala naman masyadong nagbago. I mean, I'm still me. But, ayun na nga, siguro mas marami lang nakakakilala na sa akin. Mas maraming supporters, which I'm very grateful for. Pero, ayun na nga, tungkol naman doon sa Big Brother fame na nakuha namin from BBB. Well, palagi din naman akong pinapaalalahanan ng family ko to always be humble and to always be appreciative of what I have. So, wala namang nagbago. I'm still me.
Still the princess that you are. Yan, tama. Remain humble and grateful. How about you, Ashley?
Ako naman po, kita ko po na grabe po talaga yung nadagdag po na supporters and fans po talaga. So, paglabas ko po ng bahay, punong-puno po agad ako ng pagmamahal mula po sa mga kaibigan ko, sa family ko, and of course po, doon po sa mga fans ko. And nakakatuwa po na ganun po yung naging impact ko po sa kanila and how I'm handling po the Big Brother fame po right now. Siyempre po, mas malaking responsibility po as a role model na rin. And dahil alam ko po na malaki po yung influence and impact po namin sa mga nakatutok po sa amin, sa mga nanonood po sa amin. Gusto ko po talaga ngayon na mas mag-improve po to become better dahil alam ko po na malaki po yung influence po namin. So yun po talaga yung goal ko ngayon, to make good use po of what I have right now.
It's actually great. Like they say, with great power comes with great responsibility. So keep on inspiring the young people out there, Ashley. Now, for Heath, this is actually an interesting question. So, shipping culture and fan bases for PBB are incredibly intense. So how do you feel about the love teams or pairings that fans have already created for you online?
Siyempre po nakakagulat po and it was really unexpected po kasi sa loob ng bahay po ni Kuya, we had no idea po. Pero ayun po, nakakatuwa po na nakikita yung mga ganun po and yung support po nila sa amin. It makes us happy pa rin po.
And no wonder mapapera ka talaga sa maraming love teams because you are another Kapuso heartthrob in the making. Yes, let's give it up for you, everybody. And that's it from Iza Iglesias of Manila Times. Now let's move on from pep.ph. This is actually for Marco. Ready ka na, Marco? Ito na. Your time has arrived. Okay. So dahil limitado ang opportunities at roles inside the PBB house, kamusta ang naging competition sa batch ninyo?
Well, honestly po, for our batch, it didn't feel like competition talaga kasi we had our own chances of stepping up. And I believe na yung bawat housemates has their own kind of strengths at naniniwala ako na ipakita po namin yun through certain circumstances, certain situations. And siguro kasi dahil lahat kami may kanya-kanyang pinapatunayan, may kanya-kanyang ipinaglalaban, siguro yun na yung naging competition is yung me versus me. Competition against sa sarili nila on how they're going to step up, on how they're going to show na kaya nila at para maipakita sa mga housemates at sa mga tao na kailangan nila ng tiwala sa sarili nila to overcome every challenge, mapa-task man yan, mapa-household chores, kasi lahat kami mapagbigay. We are very communicative when it comes to pagka may mga kailangan asikasuhin, may mga kailangan ayusin. At isa yun sa talagang kinatutuwa ko sa batch namin is that we're very vocal sa kung anong nararamdaman namin sa bawat isa. And through that, mas nag-shine yung kanya-kanya namin mga strengths at mas naipakita namin yun.
Grabe, I can't believe I'm talking to teenagers. I feel like I'm talking to people in their 20s. Ganun ka mature. I think that's what happens when you stay inside the bahay ni Kuya. The wisdom that you gain. And of course, Marco, I salute you as well because you were able to raise awareness for people with special needs. So that's definitely the wonder brother in your life, right? Thank you so much, Marco, for that. And now, to wrap it all up, this question is actually for everyone. So the last question is, if magkakaroon ng PBB All-Stars, gusto niyo po bang bumalik? And if ever babalik kayo, anong gagawin niyong kakaiba from your first day in the house? Who wants to go first? Pinas na naman hindi. Alright, Ashley, take it away.
Ako po, kahit na may times po talaga na nag-iinip po sa loob ng bahay kapag walang ginagawa, na-enjoy ko po talaga yung stay ko doon at ang dami ko pong naging natutunan. So, sa tingin ko po opo, lalo na po kung makakasama ko rin po yung mga old friends ko, yung mga old ex-housemates. So, yes po, gagawin ko. Pero siguro yung thing na gagawin ko is mas enjoyin po talaga. Kasi kahit na po nabigyan na kami ng advice na enjoyin lang yung stay, ang hirap po na i-keep up lang po yung ganong mindset. So, next time po, if ever na mag-join po rin ako, mas paninindigan ko po yung enjoyin ko lang talaga at mag-iisipin po yung kung ano man yung nangyayari po sa labas para masulit po yung stay po sa loob ng bahay.
That's really understandable because it's a competition at the end of the day. But yeah, it's important for you to enjoy the moment, enjoy the presence. Of course, Princess?
Well, honestly, for me, syempre po, sobrang magandang opportunity po yan if you were given a chance to go back. But honestly, okay na ako. Parang kasi what made my journey special sa PBB is para sa akin, I only get to do that. Parang once in a lifetime opportunity lang siya. So, para sa akin, okay na din yun. And I'm very grateful sa mga lahat ng na-experience, natutunan, and sa mga taong na-meet ko sa bahay na yan. So, I feel like yung chapter na yun, okay na yun. Sa akin.
Okay na si Princess.
Okay
Alright,
na.
next chapter na tayo. Alright, how about you, Caprice?
Kung may chance po na bumalik sa bahay ni Kuya, gusto ko po, kahit as a housemate or house guest, gusto ko po talaga na mag-try ulit yun. Kasi once in a lifetime experience lang po siya. So para na-experience ko yun ng 2 beses, why not po? Kaya na-excite po ko at mas i-enjoy ko po at for sure, lalaki po yung group of friends ko pag sumali po.
Twice in a lifetime na.
Yeah!
How about you, Heath? Yan.
Ako po kasi Nami-miss ko rin po yung bahay ni Kuya and ayun, it would be a great opportunity to go back. So, ayun, ako okay naman po ako na bumalik po sa bahay ni Kuya kasi na-enjoy ko rin po ng sobra yung stay ko doon kasi it was like a big sleepover po with my friends kaya super na-enjoy ko po talaga. And yung, kung bumalik po ako ulit, I'm gonna do the same thing, just enjoy po, like Ashley said. I'm just gonna enjoy my stay a lot more and not really worry too much about that outside world and just enjoy the entire process.
Enjoy the moment, like they say. Thank you so much for that, Heath. How about you, Clifford?
Ako naman, I wouldn't say no to that opportunity. Siguro ngayon, undecided pa ako, pero when the opportunity comes, siguro doon ko na malalaman yung decision ko. And lalo na ngayon na magkakaroon ng bagong bahay si Kuya, so syempre, sobrang exciting, it's a new experience. And ayun, I wouldn't say no to that.
What would you do differently, if ever?
Siguro I would be less scared kasi may times na natatakot ako kay Kuya. So siguro mas maging vocal na ako.
A braver side of Clifford. Abang-abangan natin yan. How about you, Marco?
Honestly, I don't really know pa sa ngayon. So, at this point, I'll leave it to God kung ano mang mangyayari. But for me, I'm just gonna be open to whatever opportunity na ibigay sa akin at kung naaayon ba yun sa path na gusto ni Lord para sa akin. And siguro, yun nga, dahil magkakaroon ng bagong bahay, it's gonna be a new kind of experience. And I would be thrilled to try it at least one more time. And with a different set of housemates naman kasi I believe na magkakaroon naman kami ng different dynamics kapag napapasok ulit ako as a housemate. Pero ayun, siguro something that I would change. Honestly, wala talaga kasi by that time it's gonna be a different timeline na. So by that time, may mga bagay na rin ako natutunan at kasi I believe that there's always room for improvement. So I'll always see it as that, na the reason kung bakit ako makakabalik man, kung magkakaroon ng All-Star, is because meron pa akong kailangan i-discover sa sarili ko at isasama ko yung mga housemates at yung mga tao na nanonood sa journey ko na yun.
So Marco's going to leave it to fate and destiny.
Yes.
Abangan namin yan.
Amen.
How about you, Lee?
Well, the idea of PBB All-Stars, honestly, saya na dun eh. So, parang hindi ko natatanggihan pa. Like, go na ako dyan, honestly. And you know, kung ano pa ba gagawin kong pagbabago, honestly, kung anong Lee Victor nakita niyo nung Collab 2.0, yun pa rin na Lee Victor ang makikita niyo. Pero, since I know what to do or how the game is played now, siguro low cortisol version naman ni Lee Victor.
Sample nga, sample.
Basta yun. Tapos there was a common thing everybody said and it's to have fun. Meron kami isang house guest nung Collab 2.0, si Kuya Ruru. Lagi nang remind sa amin na parang, don't treat it as a competition, just have fun all throughout your stay. Kasi yun nga, the PBB experience, di mo na yung mababalikan eh. Kaya siguro yun, to have fun all the time. And siguro to have more deep talks with one housemate to another. Kasi parang, di ko ata masyadong nagawa yun nung Collab 2. Like, to have like serious deep talks with all of the housemates. So, kung bibigyan ng opportunity ulit, let's go for it. Yeah.
Yes, thank you so much for that, Lee. Enjoy every moment kasi once in a lifetime ay makapasok sa bahay ni Kuya. And guys, that actually wraps up our Q&A portion. I told you tayo mag-100 over 10. Ang galing ng ating housemates. But before we move on to the next part of the program, I'd like to, of course, invite all of you to promote whatever's going on, your upcoming projects, your socials, where they can find you. Ito, mga aabangan natin sa housemates. Let's start with me. Or maybe kay Princess muna tayo. Let's start with the ladies this time.
Okay, well, actually po, abangan niyo na lang po kasi meron pong magaganap na pasabog. Sorry. Pero ayun po, sorry. Pero ayun po, abangan niyo po kami dahil... Pero ayun po, kasama kaming lahat doon. Abangan niyo na lang po. But, ayun, and yeah, abangan niyo na lang po.
Yeah, where they can follow you, Princess.
Okay,
Sure, makita yung content mo, yung mga ganap mo.
Okay, social media na follow lang po sa IG, Princely_20, and TikTok and Facebook, Princess L.
Thank you so much, Princess. Ano mag-post ka rin ng singing content mo? How about you, Ashley?
Sa London po, hindi pa po pwedeng i-announce. Pero, yun po, abang-abang na lang po tayo sa post ko siguro ng Sparkle ng GMA. And of course, din po yung mga personal ganaps ko po, makikita niyo po sa social media accounts ko po, which is Instagram and TikTok, Ashley Sarmiento __, and on Facebook, Aaron Ashley Sarmiento. Yun lang po, thank you.
How about you, Keith?
Ako naman po, abangan niyo na lang po ako sa FanCon ko po sa April 19 po. Skype po kaya abangan niyo lang po ako doon. Hope to see you guys there.
Guys, bili na kayo ng tickets. I'm sure it's running out already. And we're excited for that. How about you, Caprice?
Abangan at supportahan niyo po mga future projects po namin and sa IG po, Cap Caprice, Facebook and TikTok, Caprice Quintano po. Thank you!
Thank you. How about you, Clifford?
Ako naman po, magkakaroon po ng gig with Dea Ashley this Friday, March 27 sa Brewing Point. So, and sa lahat ng mga nanonood dyan, I really hope you guys will come. It's gonna be a fun night and doon ko rin po ipapalabas yung love ko for my passion, which is performing, which is singing. So, ayun po, sana makabisita po kayo. Thank you.
Let's support Clifford, and I'm sure the PPP housemates will be there to support you. How about you, Marco?
Well, ayun po, actually, this April 15, magkakaroon po ako ng movie na Huwag Kang Titingin. So, iniimbitahan ko po kayong panoorin yun. Actually, may kasama din ako doon housemate ng Collab 2.0 na si Sofia at iba pang mga housemates from Collab Edition na first Collab Edition. And aside from that, yun, sana magkaroon din ako ng mga bagong show at yung mga pasabog na sinasabi ni Princess. Makakasama din naman siguro ako doon. And yung sa ibang mga dapat na abangan, Sparkle po yung mga kasagot. Ayun guys, see you na lang sa mga magiging ganap. Thank you. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, it's Marco Massa, TikTok, Marco Massa __, Facebook, and YouTube, Marco Massa. Yun. Thank you guys.
Thank you, Marco, and congrats to you and Sophia for Huwag Kang Titingin. And of course, Lee.
Guys, if you want more updates, just follow GMA Network. Kidding aside, yun nga, abangan niyo po yung mga future projects ng lahat ng Collab 2.0 housemates, ng mga pasabog. Just wait for the notification coming from your phone. Abang na, patience is key. Tapos, you can also support me sa OPM journey ko. Nagsisimula na rin ako sa OPM journey ko. Kasi ito talaga yung isa sa mga pangarap ko. Meron na po akong song sa Spotify or kung ano mang music app ginagamit yung pang pakinig ng music. My first ever single, it's called Nagkakahiyaan. It's about two people, gustong-gusto nila yung isa't isa, pero at the end, hindi sila makaamin sa isa't isa.
Based on real life by Andy. Ayun ang tanong.
Grabe. But yeah, ayun, abangan din niyo po yung mga, paparating ko din po na isusulat kong mga songs that I'm very proud to share with you guys. Kaya ayun yun po. Maraming salamat po. You can follow me on all of my social media accounts, _LeeVictor_ on Instagram, and LeeVictor on TikTok and Facebook. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Lee. We're looking forward to your singing journey. Muli, let's give it up for our Kapuso Celebrity Collab PBB Housemates 2.0.